How can you convince someone who is using Mailchimp that they should be using Aweber instead? Aweber and Mailchimp are similar in that they both have free and paid plans. However, the two are different in some big, key areas. Support. Aweber has an award-winning customer solutions team that's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. From technical help to marketing advice, Aweber's team is available around the clock to help customers succeed. Mailchimp's support doesn't even come close. Premium features. Aweber Free includes all the features you need without the price tag, like unlimited user access, unlimited email and landing page templates, dynamic segments, email automations, and the ability to code your own templates. Migration services. Unlike Aweber, Mailchimp does not offer any free concierge migration services to move over your subscribers, sign-up forms, landing pages, or automated campaigns. We'll do all the heavy lifting for free so users can hit the ground running. Integrations. Aweber is the clear choice for e-commerce businesses. Mailchimp no longer supports Shopify and does not have a direct integration with PayPal. So the next time someone tells you that they're using Mailchimp, ask them, why aren't you using a free platform that gives you all the powerfully simple features you need to grow your business? Read the blog.